numericals based on trigonometry, as well as we covered some basics of the trigonometry as well as angles, some formulas, identity and question based on that. We did some MCQ and some numericals. Today also we are doing the same topic with some variety of questions on identity. Okay, so we can start with the session. I hope everyone learned the identities which I shared yesterday. Okay, and today we are doing few numericals on identity. Okay, so here write down the first problem, that is we have to prove tan theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta, tan theta into sin theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta. Okay, so this is what the problem. Okay, so whenever this kind of questions will come, then we have to go for RHS and LHS. Okay, so here if you observe this question, so here left hand side we can perform some operation, but in right hand side we can't perform any operation because only one term is there. Okay, if you are trying to write the identity or something, but we cannot solve this sec theta, so that is what we have to take LHS. Okay, so you have to write LHS first and try to once you take LHS, try to prove sec theta. Okay, so tan theta into sin theta plus cos theta, this is what I wrote LHS. Once you write LHS, then here what we can do, convert this tan theta in terms of sin and cos, because this is sin and cos is there. So tan theta is nothing but what? Sin theta by cos theta into sin of theta plus cos theta. Okay, can you getting up to here? Okay, we just did the conversion. Okay, now here sin theta into sin theta is nothing but sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos of theta. Can you getting this? So again, if you further simplify, if you simplify here, you can write sin square theta. Simplify means what? Here its denominator is 1. You can multiply here by cos theta so that its denominator also becomes cos theta. That means we are taking LCM. Okay, cos of theta into cos of theta divided by, we can write up as a cos theta. So from here we can write sin square theta. Cos theta into cos theta is nothing but cos square theta upon cos theta. Okay, if we apply the identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So here we can write 1 upon cos of theta. And 1 upon cos of theta is nothing but what? Sec theta, and that is your RHS, and hence it is proved. Okay, this is 3-mark question. These all are 3-mark question. If you keep your mind stable and if you think it properly, you can, if you know the identity and how to apply the identity, if you know, then you can solve this kind of questions very easily. Okay, can you getting these questions? Understood everyone what I did here? I converted tan into sin and cos, and then I did sin theta, and sin theta is a sin square. I took LCM. So I got sin square plus cos square theta by cos theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Okay. So if you want, you can write the reason here. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay. And we prove here RHS part. Okay. Copy this. These all are very important questions. Okay. Who is there online? Message me. Who is there online? Write down next question. Everyone copied this? Okay. In between, someone is, I think, disconnecting. Huh? So write down the next question. Everyone copied this from the board? Is everyone copied? Okay. Write down the next question. Here we have 1 plus sine A upon 1 minus sine A is equal to sec A plus tan A whole bracket square. Okay. So here how to solve this question. This is also very important. Okay. So here if we expand this by using A plus B whole bracket square, but still we will not get the answer. Okay. So first you can take this. So once you take this LHS, so here I will write LHS 1 plus sine A upon 1 minus sine A. Okay, we can use here component and dividendo rule. So like that, how we are doing rationalization like that. Here we have 1 minus sine theta. So you can multiply here 1 plus sine A. Okay, check the denominator, reverse the sign and multiply. Okay, so once you did this, then you will get it here 1 plus sine A whole bracket square, because 1 plus sine A, 1 plus sine A. Okay, upon A minus B, A plus B, that is A square minus B square. Okay, so we can write here 1 square minus sine square A. Can we write it like this? Once you get this, then what are the steps we can perform here? So again 1 plus sine A whole bracket square, we can keep it as it is. 1 square is 1. 1 minus sine square A is nothing but what? Cos square A, because we have here cos square A plus sine square A is equal to 1. So cos square A is equal to 1 minus sine square A. Understood? So we'll get this 1 minus sine square A. Okay. So once we get this, then what are the changes can we make here? Yeah. Once we did this, then what we can do? Now I want the answer sec A plus tan A. Sec A plus tan A. Then how can we simplify this? Yes. How can we do this? The things, tell me. Does anyone? I got half of the answer. I got 1 plus sine square A upon cos square A. Okay, can you divide this? Can you write it like this? This is nothing but, see, 1 plus sine A divided by cos A whole bracket square, because this is square and this is also square, no? So can we write 1 by cos A plus sine A by cos A. I divided cos A to each term square. So here 1 by cos A is nothing but sec A, and sine A by cos A is nothing but tan A. Okay, whole bracket square, and that is what our required answer. So sec A plus tan A whole bracket square, that is nothing but your RHS. Can you get it? So this is also important. Okay, so you have to learn the steps how we are doing. So whenever this kind of questions will come, always check the denominator. Then we can use the component and dividend rule here. So 1 plus sine A and upon 1 plus sine A multiply. Then simplify the equations. And once we reach here, no, then think what they are asking. Okay, every time they will change this content. That's it. Okay, so you just check this and copy this question. Okay, everyone can copy properly. Okay, everyone copied. So chalo write down next question. Is Advait there? Anokhi? Advait is there? Write down the question. 7 sin square A plus 3 cos square A is equal to 4. Show that, show that tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, so they are asking what here. 7 sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 4. Then show that tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, so how to solve this? Can anyone have any idea how to solve this? So here the requirement is tan A is equal to 1 by 3. So first you can write down this equation. 7 sin square A plus 3 cos square A is equal to 4. Then what I will do, I will divide cos square A on both sides. Why? Because if I divide here cos square, then sin square by cos square is tan square. I am getting cos get cancelled, and 4 by cos square we will get. Okay, so here 7 sin square A upon cos square A plus 3 cos square A upon cos square A is equal to 4 by cos square A. This cos square get cancelled. 7 sin square by cos square is nothing but tan square a plus 3, and 1 upon cos is nothing but 6 square a into 4. Okay, can you getting here? Okay, now you can use the identity. Which identity we have? We have identity 6 square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. Yesterday we did this identity, no? The last session we discussed this identity. Okay, so we can write here 7 tan square a plus 3 is equal to 4. 6 square is nothing but 4 tan square a. Now multiply this 4 inside the bracket, 4 plus 4 tan square a, then here 7 tan square a plus 3. Now 4 tan square you can transpose here, 7 tan square a minus 4 tan square a is equal to 4, and this 3 you can transpose to that side, this will become 1. 7 minus 4 is a 3 tan square a. Okay, once you get this, I will continue here. So tan square a is equal to 1 by 3, because 3 is multiplied here. When you transpose to that side, it gets divided. So tan square a is equal to 1 by 3. Then tan a is nothing but how much? 1 by root 3. Okay, getting this how I proved? Okay, the basic thing is that we must know to what are the operations we have to do at the beginning. Then you cannot able to make mistakes. Okay, copy this. Okay, copy. Can everyone able to solve this question? Instead of copying, at least try yourself. Can you able to solve? Okay, operation, mathematical operation is not a difficult thing. Okay, application of the identity is very important. Okay, everyone finished, done this. So go for the next question. Prove that I am trying to cover variety of questions based on the identities. Okay, so next question they are asking, prove that tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. This we have to prove. Okay. So if we take here RHS part, we cannot perform any work. So we can write here LHS first. So LHS is equal to tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan of theta. So convert this cot and tan in terms of sine and cos. Okay. And this tan also in terms of sine and cos. Everything you can convert this in terms of sine and cos. So here tan is nothing but sine theta by cos theta divided by 1 minus cot is nothing but cos theta by sine theta. Okay. Plus cot is nothing but cos theta by sine theta divided by 1 minus sine theta by cos theta. Getting this? Now here you can take LCM. Sine theta you can multiply here. So sine theta by cos theta divided by you can write here sine theta minus cos theta divided by sine of theta. Plus you can write down again cos theta by sine theta. I don't have a space, that's what I am writing like this. Okay. I hope you all are getting this. So again cos you can multiply by taking LCM. Cos theta minus sine theta divided by what? We have a cos theta. Okay. Sine theta goes up and cos theta comes down. So we can write it here sine square theta upon cos of theta inside the bracket sine theta minus cos theta. Can you getting this? This cos theta goes up, so this is cos square theta upon sine theta upon cos theta minus sine of theta. Can you getting up to here? Can you getting? Okay. So you can copy up to here. I require a board. Then we can check for further operations. You can copy. Okay, once you are copying, then what I will do here, see sine theta minus cos theta, and we have cos theta minus sine theta. Terms are same but signs are opposite. So what I will do here, I can write here sine square theta upon cos of theta inside the bracket sine theta minus cos theta minus, I will take minus out. So if I take minus out, what will happen? Check here. Cos square theta upon sine theta inside the bracket. So if I take here, this will become cos, positive cos will become minus cos and minus sine will become positive sine. So I will write sine first here, sine theta minus cos of theta. Okay. Now check. The denominator sine theta minus cos theta, now we can take it as a common. Okay. So everyone copy up to here. I hope this first step everyone copied and this also. So what I will do, erase only this portion. Okay. And what I will do, I will take sin theta cos theta out. Okay. Remaining terms I will multiply. Okay. So here check this sin theta. I will take here 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta. I will take it out. Sin theta minus cos theta, I will take it out. So inside this bracket, sin, what will remain? Sin square theta by cos theta minus, we will get cos square theta upon sin theta. Okay. So it will come 1 upon sin theta minus cos of theta. Simplify this. this will come sine into this square means you can take LCM sine cube theta minus cos cube theta divided by I will get sine theta into cos of theta. Can you getting? Can you getting how I am doing the steps? Getting this? Now what we can do? See, in proof part I don't want cube wala part. Then how can you solve that sine cube? Now the problem is only sine cube minus cos cube. Yes. Does anyone knows the formula here? So we can apply the formula. See. So now we have to use the formula. I will write the formula here. I hope everyone has copied this part. Okay. So I will erase this because I reached to my desired level. So here we can use the formula. See, I don't want these parts in the proof part. Okay. So anyhow, and here with 1 upon sine theta minus cos theta, we can perform any operation. And here also, if we multiply here, we will not get the answer. Okay, we will try to simplify that sine cube minus cos cube. That is nothing but what? A cube minus b cube. Okay. So we have one formula a cube minus b cube is nothing but a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. We have this formula. Okay. So here the change is that the a is nothing but sine and b is nothing but cos. Okay. So a minus b, that is nothing but sine theta minus cos of theta, and a square is nothing but sine square theta plus AB means sine theta into cos of theta plus cos square theta. Can you getting this? Okay, once we get this, then substitute over here, or here only I will write. So 1 is there. Okay, I simplify this, and here divided by we have sine theta minus cos of theta, and here we have sine theta into cos of theta. Okay, so now check this part and this part is get cancelled. Okay, and then remaining terms are what? Sine square theta plus cos square theta. I will write it as 1 into we have sine theta into cos of theta upon we have sine theta into cos of theta. Okay, and again if you divide here, 1 upon you will get sine theta into cos of theta plus sine theta into cos of theta divided by sine theta into cos of theta. Okay, so this is get cancelled. 1 by sine theta dot cos theta plus sine theta by cos theta, that is to get cancelled. Once that is get cancelled, then what will remain? 1 plus so copied up to here everyone. We want here 1 plus secant cosec theta. So this is nothing but remaining terms are here 1 upon sine theta into cos of theta, and this is get cancelled, this is 1. Okay, 1 by sine and 1 by cos, that is nothing but cosec theta into sec theta plus 1. This is what our required answer. Okay, check your notebook if you copied the LHS and RHS we are getting properly. Okay. Okay, copy it down. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Finished, everyone? Is everyone getting how I am solving? Okay, chalo. We can do next little bit different. Yesterday we did x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. Okay, so we are doing now x square minus y square is equal to p square minus q square, but here values are entirely different. Okay, so write down if x is equal to p sec theta. I hope everyone is copied. Okay, so we can go for the next problem. So x is equal to p sec theta plus q tan theta, and y is given p tan theta plus q sec theta. Okay, and they are asking us to prove x square minus y square is equal to p square minus q square. Okay, so it's very easy. So you just follow the instructions what are the operation they are asking us to do. So here x square minus y square, x value is p sec theta plus q tan theta minus we have p tan theta plus q sec theta whole bracket square. Okay, this is also square. Now here in this bracket we can use a plus b whole bracket square, and here also a plus b whole bracket square. Make sure while writing the expansion of this you can write in bracket, because outside sign is negative. Okay, we have to multiply that negative afterwards inside the bracket. Okay, so I will write the identity once, because many are don't know the identities. Okay, how to apply and all. Okay, so which identity I am using here? I will write a plus b whole bracket square is equal to, we have a square plus b square plus twice ab. Okay, so this is what the identity we are using to expand this bracket and this bracket. Okay, so I'll start from here. P square sec square theta, because this is a. Okay, plus b square is nothing but q square tan square a theta plus twice of p cube sec theta into tan theta bracket complete minus p square tan square theta plus I will continue here the same bracket q square sec square theta plus p cube tan theta into sec theta. Okay, can you getting up to here? Now once you get, then now next step to multiply this negative sign inside the bracket. Okay, so don't leave these questions are coming. Okay, these are very easy. I'm multiplying this inside the bracket minus p square tan square minus q square sec square theta and minus p q tan theta into sec theta. Okay, now check what all are the things are getting cancelled. Here we have 2 pq sec theta tan theta, and here also we have 2 I forgot 2 pq tan theta sec theta. Okay, multiplication is commutative, this and this is get cancelled. Okay, so what are the remaining term here? P square sec square theta plus q square tan square theta minus p square tan square theta minus q square sec square theta. Can you getting up to here? Now you can combine the terms. Okay, so I will collect p square and this p square together. So if I take p square common, then inside this bracket sec square theta minus we can take tan square theta. Okay, p square sec square theta minus p square tan square theta. P square you can take it out as a common, so remaining is sec square theta minus tan theta, and here we can take this one, the q square tan square theta minus q square sin square sec square theta. So if you take here common plus q square inside this bracket tan square theta minus sec square theta. Can you getting this? So now what we can do here? Yes, what are the things, what things we can take common here? Yes, everyone copied up to here. So once you get this, we know that sec square theta identity. What is the identity we have? So can I erase this? This is a question only. Okay, so here we have identity, that is sec square theta is equal to tan square theta plus 1. Okay, we have here sec square theta is equal to tan square theta plus 1. So if we write here sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So this term I will get 1. Okay, this term I will get 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. But here I have tan square theta minus sec square theta. No, don't write 1. Okay, that is not correct. So what we can do to write that? Again you can take negative sign out. If you take negative sign out, then you will get p square sec square theta minus, okay, this I will write it as 1 now. Okay, because this I got here 1. So plus, no, not plus, I will take minus sign outside, q square. If I take minus sign out, then tan will become negative and sec square will become positive. So I will write sec square theta minus tan square theta. Okay, again these terms are become what? 1. So p square minus q square. So what I got? X square minus y square is equal to p square minus q square, proved. Okay, yesterday we did x square plus y square is equal to p square plus q square, and there we have the sine and cos term, and here sec and tan terms are there. Can you getting the questions? of you getting the questions properly? How I am using identity, can you able to understand? Everyone copied? Finished everyone? Can I go for the next one? Advait, are you there? Hriday? Anokhi? Azra, are you there? I think all are sleeping nicely. Okay, so write down next question. I hope everyone copied this. Now we can do little different question. Now we can put in the values. So I will write the question. I will wait for your answer. Okay. So you can type the answer if you are able to solve. Okay. Simple only. If you know the angle values, then only you can able to solve. But don't make a mistakes while solving this kind of easy question, because mostly this kind of questions will come for 2 and 3 marks. Okay. If you are not if you don't know the values, then you can lose the marks, or if you know the values, you substituted correctly but operation you did wrong, then you will not get the marks. Okay, they are asking here, evaluate 5 sine square 30 plus cos square 45 plus 4 tan square 60 divided by, we can write it as 2 sine 30 cos 60 plus tan 45. Okay, so substitute the value and try to find out the answer. I hope everyone knows the value for each angle. Sine 30 is half, correct? Sine 30 is half, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Okay, try to solve this. 5 sine 30 is half square. This is 1 by root 2 square. Then 4, we have tan square 60. Tan square 60 is nothing but root 3 square divided by 2 into sine 30 is half, cos 60 is also half, plus tan 45 is 1. Okay, now simplify this. At least try this question and check what is the answer. Those who got the answer, they can type the message. Everyone simplify the question. Tell me what is the answer. Does anyone got Uday, Azra, Advait, Anokhi? Who all are there? Or everyone slept nicely? Yes, what is the answer? Okay. I hope everyone is simplified. Okay, not at all taking any hard work to type the answer. So I will only solve here. So 5 by 4 plus 1 by 2, because 1 by root square is 2 only, plus 4 into 3 divided by 2 and 2 get cancelled, 1 plus half. Okay, so now this part you can simplify. 5 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus 12. So take LCM here. So here 4, 2 divided by, again 4 into this 4 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3 by 2. 24 plus 4 is 24 plus 7. Okay, that is 11. This will become 31 by 4, and if you take reciprocal by this, so 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 31 by 6. I am getting the answer over here. Okay, check. You are getting same. Oh, here wait a minute. Check this sorry. Here 48 will come. 48 plus 7. 55. So answer will come 55 by 6. Answer is 55 by 6. Okay, answer you are getting here 56, 55 by 6 we are getting. Okay, we are getting answer here 55 by 6. Okay, everyone copied this. Okay, so write down the next question, that is find the value of x. Find the value of x if so this is little bit different question. Okay, so this is actually we gave here for 2 marks. So here we have to use our knowledge, angle value knowledge. Okay, and then you can solve this question. Okay. So question is given that find the value of x if tan 3x, if tan 3x is equal to sine 45 degrees into cos of 45 degrees plus sine 30. Okay, we have this equation. So here we have to find out the value for x. So you can write tan 3x. Okay, now don't say me, madam, this 3x kind of questions we don't have. Okay, but see, your science paper was also tough. Then there is a 10 days gap for you people. So 100% maths paper will come tough only. So at least you can solve all the possible questions from the trigonometry chapter and applications of trigonometry. Otherwise that affect you a lot. Okay. So now put the values for sine 45. So sine 45 is nothing but how much we have? 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2, and then cos 45 is also 1 by root 2 plus sine 30 is half. Okay, so we got these values. Once you get this, then you can simplify, no? 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is nothing but 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Okay, so tan 3x I am getting here 1. So at which value tan is 1? So we know that tan 45 degrees is nothing but what? 1, no? Correct? So here 1, here can I write tan 3x is equal to tan 45. So here tan and tan get cancelled and 3x is equal to 45. Okay, in short we are taking inverse, but that you don't have, but tan and tan get cancelled, then x is equal to 45 by 3, that is nothing but 15. Can you get it? How to find out the value for x? Maybe they will change the values or maybe they will change the equation, but sometimes they can ask to find out the value for x. So these are the required operation to get the value for x. Okay, copy this. Okay, everyone is getting this. Can you getting? Okay, I will give you 2-minute break. Then we can meet you after 2 minutes. Remains, you can remain online only. Same link, okay, but we can take it after 2 minutes. Take a break, and I want a reply from everyone. If there is a no reply, I will inform your parents. Okay, sharp here 55 minutes 32 seconds it is showing. We will meet by 58. Chalo, we can continue. Here next question is there. This is also a little bit different question. Okay. The question is that if sine theta plus cos theta is equal to P, okay, and sec theta plus cosec theta is equal to Q, then show that Q P square minus 1 Q into P square minus 1 is equal to 2P. Okay, this they are asking us to prove. A little bit different question. Okay, normally whenever we practiced, we never saw this kind of questions. Okay, I must say you can try all the questions from trigonometry. Don't take a risk. Okay, so that is the reason I took this chapter first, so that after 6 means you can every day practice trigonometry and its applications. Okay, so here we have Q into P square minus 1 is equal to 2P. So you can take here this I want to prove, no, then take this LHS. So right here LHS is equal to Q P square minus 1. So Q is nothing but here sec theta plus cosec theta. Okay, inside this bracket P square. P square is nothing but sin theta plus cos theta whole bracket square minus 1. Okay, so once you did this, then you can check here. This is sin cos. Either you can convert into sec cos or you can convert sec and cosec. Okay, so we can convert sec and cosec, no? So that everything will come into the form of sine. So 1 upon sec is nothing but cos. Okay, cos theta plus we can write 1 upon sin theta. Inside the bracket we can write sin theta plus cos theta whole bracket square minus 1. Okay, can you getting this? Then here you can take LCM and expand that bracket. Okay, you can expand that bracket and then check what are the operations we get. So 1 upon cos theta, 1 upon sin theta, then sin theta plus cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. Okay, and here you can expand sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta, and this is what minus 1, which is there in the problem itself. Now here cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Okay, that plus 1 and this minus 1 is get cancelled. Okay, that also I will write here. Sin theta plus cos of theta divided by cos theta into sin of theta. Inside this bracket 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos of theta minus 1 divided by nothing. Okay, so minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. So what will remain? Only 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, so if you want you can write a reason here. 1 is equal to what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. So copy up to here. We have not, question is not finished. So I will erase the first 2 lines. Okay, then I will continue further. Okay, so write down the remaining terms here. So here it will come sin theta plus cos of theta divided by sin theta into cos of theta into here we have a 2 sin theta into cos of theta. Okay, these terms are entirely get cancelled, and what we have to prove here? 2p. Okay, so 2 to I have here and this is sin theta plus cos of theta. If you check the given quantities, cos theta plus sin theta is nothing but what? Your P. So 2 into P. This is nothing but your RHS and this is nothing but what? Your proof. Hence we proved this. Understood this question? How I did this? Okay, everyone is getting these questions. Hruday, Azra, Anokhi, Advait, who all are there? Or all are sleeping? No one is replying? Everyone copied, no? Chalo. Write down. Okay, copy this. I will give 1 more minute. Copy this and then we'll go for next question. Okay, finished. Copied everyone. Okay, write down the next one. Next question. This is also 3-mark question. Here they are saying if sec theta plus tan theta is equal to P, then they are asking prove that sin theta is equal to P square minus 1 and P square plus 1. Okay. So now check. Here LHS is your sin theta and RHS is P square minus 1 upon P square plus 1. Okay, so here we can't do only by taking sin theta, but we can do some operations over here because value of P is given sec theta plus tan theta. Okay, so you can write here RHS and try to prove LHS part. So P square minus 1 and P square plus 1. Okay, now P value you can substitute and expand and check what you will get. Okay, put the value, at least try some questions by your own. Put the value for P. Copy properly and try to solve this question. So what you all are getting? P is nothing but what you have here, sec theta plus tan theta whole bracket square minus 1 upon sec theta plus tan theta whole bracket square plus 1. Okay. Now here we can expand by a plus b identity. Okay. So 6 square theta a plus b whole bracket square 6 square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 tan theta into sec theta minus 1 upon, we can write it here again, 6 square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 tan theta sec theta plus 1. Can you getting up to here? Okay. Getting up to here? Okay. So now here I expanded this by using this identity. I will write that also. A minus b whole bracket square is equal to a square plus b square plus twice ab. Okay. So this identity I use here plus. Okay. Now what I will do here, here can I take this 6 square theta minus 1 is nothing but tan square theta. So can I write it like this, 6 square theta? I am rearranging the terms, that's it. Okay, plus tan square theta plus 2 tan theta into sec theta. Okay, divided by, I can write here 6 square theta plus tan square theta, and I will bring this one and I will write it near to the tan square theta plus 2 tan theta into sec theta. Okay, now we know the identity. Okay, which identity we know that? Here we know that 1 sec square theta minus 1 is nothing but what? Tan square theta. Okay, and sec square theta is nothing but what? Tan square theta plus 1. Okay, so can you able to see this term, sec square theta minus 1 and tan square theta plus 1? So we can replace this by sec square theta, and this we can write it as, this we can replace by tan square theta, and this we can replace by sec square theta. Can you get it? Okay, so I will erase the above this thing, question I will erase, and then I will replace this by here tan square theta plus again tan square theta plus 2 tan theta into sec theta. Okay, divided by, we will get here sec square theta plus sec square theta plus 2 tan theta into sec theta. Okay, so now here tan square is a 2 tan square. Can you get it? Tan square is nothing but 2 tan square theta plus 2 tan theta into sec theta divided by sec square theta plus sec square theta is a 2 sec square theta. Okay, plus 2 tan theta into sec theta. Can you get it? See, I am simplifying step by step. Okay, applying normal identities which we learn in 9th standard, the identities, trigonometric identities which we learn this year. Okay, that I am applying everywhere. Whatever the knowledge you have about the maths, you can apply to get the answer. Okay, so these all 3 mark questions are given here, but these all are 5 marks question. We require practice. But with practice only we can do these sums. Getting? So this also I will erase on the board. Then what I will do, I will take 2 tan common here. 2 tan I will take common. So here tan theta plus what will remain? Sec theta upon, we will get here, if I take 2 sec theta common, then here you will get sec theta plus tan theta. Now check, addition is commutative, these both the terms are get cancelled. So 2 is also get cancelled. Tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta, and sec theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. So take a reciprocal. So cos theta by 1. Cos theta is get cancelled and you will get the answer sin theta. Can you getting? So this is what my required answer. So I get it, the LHS part. I took RHS to prove and I got LHS also. Okay. So hence we can say that LHS is equal to RHS and we proved sin theta is equal to p square minus 1 and upon p square plus 1. Okay. Can you getting how I am solving the questions? सबको समझ में आ रहा है? These are very very important questions. At least show thumbs up. Those who are getting, don't write anything, but at least show thumbs up. Can you getting? Everyone copied? Can I go for the next sum? Okay. So we'll go for next question. Next question, prove that maybe this question you solved many times. Sin theta plus cos theta divided by, we have sin theta minus cos of theta plus sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 2 sec square theta by tan square theta minus 1. Okay. So now how to solve this question? Can you think and can you try to solve this question? So what you can do, first you can take LCM. Take LHS first, then LCM you can take. So here I will write LHS part. sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta divided by, we have sin theta plus cos theta. Okay, now take LCM. So sin theta, multiply this entire term here and multiply entire term over here. Sin theta plus cos theta, which becomes square, and here sin theta minus cos of theta whole bracket square divided by sin theta minus cos theta inside the bracket again sin theta plus cos theta. Okay, so here a minus b, a plus b. Okay, that is a square minus b square. So now what you can do, apply here identity a plus b whole bracket square, that is equal to a square plus b square plus twice ab. Okay, so I will write here sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, plus here I can write sin square theta plus cos square theta minus twice sin theta plus cos of theta. Okay, and I will apply the identity in the denominator also. Okay, so here I will write down the identities. Here for this I use a plus b whole bracket square as a square plus b square plus twice ab, and for this a minus b whole bracket square, a square minus a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, and this is a minus b and this is a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Getting? So these identities I am using here. So this will become sin square theta minus cos square theta. Can you getting up to here? Now simplify the brackets above. So here addition sign is there, minus 2 sin theta cos theta and plus 2 sin theta cos theta are get cancelled. Okay, and here sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Okay, and that sin square theta cos square theta is 1. 1 plus 1 is a 2. 2 divided by, we have sin square theta minus cos square theta. Okay, now what we can do here, I got this is a simplified equation. Okay, now what I can do here, so if we come here, then I get stuck. Then what we can do here? I want there 2 sec square theta and tan square theta 1, and I got this much. Okay, so if you reach here, then it's correct only. Now the thing is that what operation we can make. So already I have sign here. Okay, and here we have 1. So how to think? Activate your thinking also. Here they want tan, and here I have sine. Here that have 1 and here I have cos 1. So I have to remove cos now from here. If I want to remove the cos, then I have to divide the equation by cos by both numerator and denominator. So here you can divide numerator and denominator by cos square theta. Okay. So here 2 divided by cos square theta upon, we can write sin square theta upon cos square theta minus, we can write cos square theta upon cos square theta. Okay, so here we will get 2 by cos. 2 by cos is nothing but 6 square. No? 2 by cos is nothing but 2 6 square. So here cos square get cancelled. Sin square theta by cos square theta is nothing but tan square theta minus 1. So this is nothing but your RHS and hence proved. Okay, so use the identities, trigonometric identities, and try to apply. I am not getting answer, always check your RHS and according to that you can adjust whatever the answer you are getting. Okay, copy this. Okay, everyone is getting. Okay, everyone is copied. So can I go for the next one? Okay, I hope everyone is copying. No one is replying. Maybe all are busy. Okay, write down the next question. Prove that. So I am trying to cover all the variety of questions from the trigonometry so that you can use trigonometry properly and solve the questions based on the trigonometry which are there in your exam paper. Okay, so make your base strong. So here we have 1 upon cosec theta minus cot theta minus 1 upon sin theta is equal to 1 upon, we have sin theta minus 1 upon sin square theta minus cos square theta. Okay, so this is, oh wait, I think I wrote wrong question. 1 upon cosec theta minus cot theta minus 1 by sin theta is equal to 1 by sin theta minus 1 upon cosec theta plus cot theta. Something different, no? So how can we solve this? We have to prove this. Okay. So how can we do this? Okay, this is what the question. So in this question, if you take LHS and try to prove RHS, or if you are taking RHS and you are trying to prove LHS, you will not get the answer. You know, these questions are making us fool. Okay, if you have a practice, then only you can able to rearrange the terms and then try to solve. Okay, so how to solve this kind of questions? See, I am covering number of questions and variety questions. So here you can write here 1 upon, we have cot theta, correct? Means we have this part, see, cosec minus cot, and we have cosec plus cot. With negative sign is a transpose here. Okay, so first write down this 1 upon cosec theta minus cot theta plus 1 upon cosec theta plus cot theta. Okay, equal to 1 upon sin theta, and this minus 1 upon sin theta you can transpose over here. Okay, so this will become 2 upon sin theta. Can you get it? Okay, so now you can take this part, this entire part as a LHS and this as what? RHS. Can you getting this? Now take your LHS and solve to get this answer. Okay, so this, for doing this step you have 1 mark. Okay, according to this question, this question is for 3 marks, and to write this changes or interchanging the things, for that they gave 1 mark. So if you are solving directly, check, you will not get the answer at the end. Also we are facing some problem. Again we are starting from the beginning. This cycle will continue. So what you can do here, you can adjust the terms at the beginning. Okay. So here, once we get this, convert this. Here I want sine, no? Convert all the terms in terms of sine and cos. Okay. So 1 upon cosec is nothing but what? 1 by sin theta minus cot is nothing but cos theta by sin theta plus 1 upon 1 by sin theta plus cot theta divided by sin theta. Okay, so this is what your LHS, and try to simplify here. 1 upon, here you can write sin theta minus cos theta upon, you can write it as a sin theta, and plus 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta divided by, you can write it as sin theta. Okay, sin theta and sin theta goes up, so sin theta upon sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta. Okay, sorry, sin will go up, no, sin theta. Now we get up to here. Then what you can do? Again you can take LCM. Okay, take LCM and try to solve this question. Instead of taking LCM and again multiplication, what we can do, here minus sign is there, no? So wait, no need to convert this into sin and cos. Okay, so directly we can multiply here. LHS we wrote, no? So take LCM here. This you can transpose here. Cosec theta plus cot theta plus cosec theta minus cot theta divided by, we can write here cosec theta minus cot theta inside the bracket cosec theta plus cot theta. Okay, so here this cot and cot get cancelled and we will get 2 cosec theta divided by a square, a minus b, a plus b. So here I will again write the identity. Okay, so a minus b, and here we have a plus b, that is nothing but a square minus b square. Okay, so upon, we can write it here as a cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Okay, here we know that cosec theta, cosec square theta minus cos square theta, we have identity, no? Okay, what identity we have? Cosec square theta, we have this trigonometric identity. We have cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So we can write here cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So this term comes as a 1. Okay, so we can 2 upon 2 cosec theta upon 1. So 2 into cosec is nothing but what? 1 by sine. So we can write 1 by sine theta. So we will get 2 by sine theta. That's it. Okay, so this is what the answer, and this is what our RHS, and hence we proved this RHS also. Can you getting this? Okay, so tomorrow onwards I am continuing with the application. Okay, so tomorrow morning again we have a session. Today also you have to come. According to that I will message you. So prepare this chapter. I almost cover variety of question. If you have a doubt, that we can clear it by today. Okay, so tomorrow onwards we are continuing applications of a trigonometry. Okay, so you can practice, and I gave the schedule for the test. According to that you can attend the tests also. Okay, thank you for joining. You all can leave the session.